Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 1044 East Country Club, my newest listing in Big Bear City. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street, 1044 East Country Club. And we're just over a 5,000 square foot lot on this one. I'm going to kind of do a quick 360 turn. Nice meadow view out here, nice mountain view, and nice homes all around as well, and Amazon delivers. So on our property lines, we are right here, fence line on this one, and then over here, kind of this whole area too, but this area is not fenced in. Just because it's like a little drainage area that's been zhuzhed up a little bit. Nice beautiful pine tree back here. Roof is in good shape. So it's a little culvert for water that comes under the road. And then so the area is just fenced off. But what I wanted to show you is that my favorite hiking trail is right here. So just across the street is Maple Hills Trail. This is Maple Road, and that'll go up to Sugarloaf right there. And if you went this way, you'd be going to Baldwin Lake. Probably about a 5-minute drive to the grocery stores, maybe 6-7 minutes to get to the ski slopes, maybe 7-8 minutes depending upon traffic. It depends on what day you are up here. If you're up here on a Saturday night in the winter time, it might take you a little bit longer. So here we do have room for RV parking, boat parking right here. You could also get, if you wanted to open this fence up, you could also get a boat or RV in the back. But over here is our driveway. Right here, coming up. And so we are in Big Bear City on this one. To get to the lake, probably about 4 minutes. And maybe about 3.5 miles to get there. So coming up, deck's in really good shape, really sound, really sturdy. Kind of got like a tan color with like a reddish orange trim. So let's go inside. Previously, this has been used as a long-term rental. So there is no furniture in it because the long-term renter moved out and there was a remodel on it. So we do have laminate, kind of like a grayish tan hardwood floor. So we enter into the kitchen. I'm gonna close this door behind me. This would kind of be where you could put a dining room table over here. And you got a little pony wall separating it from the living room. So we do have some upgraded appliances. If somebody wanted, you could probably do a dishwasher connection here. This is gonna be a Formica countertop with an interesting texture. Maybe like a plasticky sink. Stove, oven, and the whole house on the inside has been painted. So it's just been freshly painted, really nice, smells really good in here too. We do have dual pane windows, so update. And here's our living room. So you could put a little bar right here to sit at, a couple countertops. And then here is our beautiful wall of fireplace. So it kind of has that big bare stone that a lot of people are looking for. Nice live edge. This is kind of what it looks behind it. So it's this rock is on top of mesh. So anytime you see this, it's not like stacked rock. It is just a flat facade. This, I believe, this is a fireplace. Oh yeah, I've seen it. It opens on the side. So Sierra stove, cast iron, build the fire in here. And the great part is you don't really need too much clearance out this way because you're gonna leave that closed and the fire is gonna come through there. You could also take this out and you could also have it as a regular fireplace, but this thing is gonna be way more efficient for you if you were to live here. Good sized living room. You've got a number of things that you could do. Wrap around couch right here. You could have a couch right here. You could have a couch back there. You could have the TV up top here, or you could have it back here on a swivel with a couch this direction. You got so many options. Do have nice dual pane windows, like I said. We also have a little bay window, pop-out window right here, so you could use for gardening. And then the house is run off of a wall heater. So being single story in a home this size, that's probably all you're gonna need. So coming into the hallway, we're gonna have bedroom, laundry room, bathroom, storage. So water heater here, kind of newer looking. Storage here. But check out this bathroom. Beautiful. I love the color scheme in here. So it is somewhat already updated in here. We have newer paint. We do have a pedestal here. The toilet. And we've got this like hazy navy blue subway tile. That is beautiful. 2 different shampoo boxes. We've got like a gray matted hexagon tile on the base and then like a sparkly granite right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Really, really good job. And the floor is the same all throughout the home as well, which is another thing that I like it because it makes it feel so much more fluid and well thought all together. So this would be more of the master, I think, so a little bit larger bedroom than the other one. This is going to be the other side of the wall heater right here, but you could easily get master bedroom here, or sorry, king bed, nice big closet in here too. Love that light. It's kind of fun. It looks like the moon. Closet doors were taken off, but I'm sure we could probably find those. And then we've got more storage, and here is bedroom number 2. So in bedroom number 2, it's kind of more of a like, kind of palish green color in here. Could put bed here, could put it here. I would probably say that's probably your only 2 options unless you wanted to go into the closet. We do have an electric heater in here if you just needed a heating boost to come inside. But I do think, and if you got a king size bed, you're probably coming out pretty far, which isn't gonna leave you too much this way. So probably gonna be double bed, maybe queen bed. If you wanna have a nightstand, probably a double, and it's gonna be up against that wall. And then here we have the laundry room. So nice, clean, airy, pretty laundry room. You could also dual stack these, get a little bit more space in here if you wanted more storage, but definitely not necessary. It's pretty nice. I've been wanting on top of my washer and dryer to get a live edge piece of wood to just and have a clear space on top of it. So thinking about doing that. Let me know what you think. And then here we have the backyard. So it is fully fenced for any kind of like animals, critters, children that you might have. You could fence right here, close this off. Put a little deck back here if you wanted to. Put a sliding glass door off the master, especially if you wanted to get a hot tub back here. And then here's the side of the house. All right, so we just hit the market for $339.9. Let me know what you think and how fast you think it's gonna sell. Talk to you soon. Bye.